Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Samp P 500 New Bull Market Outruns Real Improvements in U.S. Economy and Equity Fundamentals. A Morgan Stanley http ntvforex.com News ID 082F855 5 minutes ago by NTV Forex team after hitting a record high of 3,380 on February 19, then plunging 34% to a pandemic-induced low of 2,237 on March 23. The S&amp P 500 index took just 5 months to make a round trip and set a new record. Nevertheless, the recovery stage of this new business cycle has not transitioned to an expansion phase for 3 reasons explained by Lisa Shalit from Morgan Stanley. Key quotes: S&amp P 500 gains are concentrated in a handful of stocks. The 5 largest names, mostly tech and social media companies, now comprise a historic 25% of the index. That group is up 30% year-to-date, but the median stock is down 7%. The result is an index that is not only expensive. The forward price-earnings PE ratio is 23, near the extremes of the 1999 tech bubble, but also very top-heavy. Lower interest rates may seem to justify high valuations, but if inflation picks up as the recovery progresses, those rates will likely rise and create market headwinds. The market seems disconnected from the economy. While markets tend to anticipate the future, expectations may be getting unrealistic. We see lots of data supporting a V-shaped recovery, but the recession isn't over. Unemployment remains over 10%. Even a 20% jump in GDP growth in the third quarter would return the economy to a level still 9% below where it stood in January. We don't expect GDP to fully recover until the second quarter of next year and doubt that corporate profits will significantly outpace that rate. Investors seem overly complacent about potential risks. Individual investors seem somewhat subdued, but institutional investors have moved to max bullish sentiment, with put-call ratios at 7-year lows. A low number indicates investors expect stocks to rise. Such complacency seems odd, given high uncertainty about the next phase of fiscal stimulus. Although the outlook may have improved on COVID-19 infection rates and a vaccine, the pandemic's trajectory remains in doubt. The U.S. presidential election, where possible outcomes are very much in flux, represents another major unknown for markets. We expect markets to be mostly range-bound over the next 3 months of uncertainty and think small caps, value style, and cyclical stocks will return to favor. Meantime, watch market breadth, valuations, and economic fundamentals for signs that the market is reaching new extremes. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.